there's always a twofer. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh, so I gotta blow through this video before all those people get the toilet paper. Hi somebody, hey, hi somebody, yada yada yada. Welcome to Revolve for a Spell, where it's all about discovering your voice, natural hair, and soul care. We continue the series. What's the name of the series? It is No Shame, Coupon, and the Bridge Word Hustle. Part 2 is here for you. So the subbies rule the roost. Subbies want to have this series talking about savings and coupons. In this video, we talk about 5 ways we can get coupons and savings for ourselves and our families. And I love me a deal, honey. So, throughout the video, we're sprinkling tips and nuggets for you to go and check out as we explore the different ways we can get coupons. And so this may help you and your friends as well and your family. So share it, like it, share it on your Facebook page, share it on your social media, in your emails, because it may help someone. And tell us down below if you yourselves know of any other ways we can get hold of them there coupons. First way, the traditional way of getting your coupons, Sunday paper. We know that, right? So every Sunday, there's coupon inserts that come in the massive paper. I knew when I lived in New York, the Sunday Times would have all those coupon inserts inside the middle of it. And let's be honest, guys, that Sunday paper is not cost an extra little penny that we may not have. So in case we don't have that, you could also get it in your local newspaper, not the national one, like the New York Times and the LA Times and so forth. You may get it in the national paper, coupon inserts. You get the coupon inserts also in your supermarket checkout. So let's say, guys, you do not have the money, and some of us don't. Let's be honest, guys. We are in a recession. We have to pinch them pennies. And remember the series above, part 1 of this series, no shame. There's no shame in saying, you know what, I don't have the money, extra money, because I need to get this for the baby and so forth. There is an option. You can go and find the 2020 monthly coupon schedule. I'll have it down below in the description box for you so that you know when the bulk coupons will be available in every Sunday's newspaper. Because some of them, they're not available. They're on a specific schedule. For example, you can find out when the Big Daddy coupon providers release their coupons. It's all on a schedule by the month. You can find out when RetailMeNot Me has the coupons being released, Smart Source and Procter & Gamble. Those are the Big Daddy coupons that you find in the Sunday paper. You can get that schedule so you don't waste that extra money if you know in July, this is the one that I want to get, or it's not coming out in this month, so you don't have to spend that bus fare or you make that extra trip to get that coupon if you already know it's not going to be there. So you save time, you save money, and you save stress. Let's be honest, this is a recession. Okay, tips. Tip number 1. Make sure you read and understand the coupon policy for each of the stores, each of the companies that you will be using the coupons for. Some of them are very specific. There's some fine print. Just want to make sure that you read the coupon policy. Go to their websites and you will find it there. Sometimes when you go in the stores, the assistants and the attendees may not understand the policy, so you do your own homework because this is your money you're trying to save. All right? Tip number 1. All right, you're here, you're still with us, wonderful. Let's step into the second way we can get our coupons. Coupon books, yes. Let's start with my favorite. Walgreens, hello, I get so much stuff from Walgreens. So, especially medicine and the vitamins, there's always a twofer. I love it. So, go to Walgreens website. You'll see the big, massive coupon book they bring out every week. Let me tell you, I was there this morning. Before I did that video, I got it in my book. I'm ready to go. So I got to blow through this video before all those people get the toilet paper. Let me tell you, they have a good deal right now for toilet paper. I wrote it down in my notes. I think 2 for something, 3 off. And then the Dove, the Big Daddy Dove that I love. It's like $3 off for something. Walgreens. Walgreens.com. Sign up. Register, and Click, click, and save. Click, click, and save. I am addicted to the Walgreens coupons. Yes, I said it. Because I save so much more money than going to my local grocery store with this Walgreens option. Another company, a big company that has a coupon book is Procter & Gamble. Did you know that? Procter & Gamble, you know, they're the manufacturer of so many things. They have Pampers and all these toothpastes and different wipes and so forth. They have a coupon book. But for you to get the hookup, honey, do you want to know the hookup? Okay, here's how you get the hookup. You go to the website, and I put all this in the description box below. And guys, by the way, if you're digging all of this and it's helping you, please share with your friends. Subscribe, like, so I know that this is helping you. Share with your friends. This is important for all of us to rise up and through and out of this hardship. Procter & Gamble website. Go on that website, register. They're going to ask you to fill out a survey. I did, pain-free. But in that survey, they're going to have a couple different questions for you. Blah, 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 blah. They just want to know, what kind of coupons does this household really need? So the more questions you can answer, the better. So go ahead out there and get them coupons. They'll send you this chunky wonky book that you can get coupons specific to your area. So for example, if you live in Pennsylvania, you may not get certain coupons for certain things because that is not applicable to your state. So you can see how that works, okay? Hope that helps. So, did you know about Red Plum? Well, it used to be called Red Plum. Now it's called RetailMeNot Everyday. It's similar to Procter & Gamble. It's like a massive book with a whole bunch of coupons that are inside the weekly newspaper that you may or may not have the coins to pay for. So if you go to that site, I'll leave it down in the description box below. I'll leave it there for you. You can see. You go with that to that website, tell them where you are in which city, and they'll let you know if that Retail Me booklet is part of the package of the weekly Sunday paper. If not, you can have it what? Shipped to you. I'm telling you, there's a way to work this system so that you can eat. And we don't want to be hungry, honey. Of all the things, you don't want to be hungry. All right? So that's the booklet. Let's talk about them again. What do we have? Procter & Gamble. You can get that book signed up online. Next one. Walgreens book. Walgreens. You can get all that you need in there. I buy most of my groceries, except like, meats and fish and stuff in there because they're good deals. And then the next one, Retail Not For Me coupon book. All right? Next tip. Check it out. Tip number 2. Dos. Make sure that you're organized when you're collecting your coupons. So some people may prefer folders or like a coupon wallet. I'll make sure I have them down in the description box below, or I'll leave them in the cards for you to go and see which one suits your pickle. Okay? Because the wallet I personally prefer, you can organize it in the way by supplies and products. So here's another one. Dollar Tree. Is Dollar Tree close to your house? It's close to mine. It's my mom's favorite place in the whole universe of places. She loves a Dollar Tree. You should see her. Oh, when they have, that's my mom. She loves Dollar Tree. And that's who I got my love for coupon from. So Dollar Tree every Sunday, they have $1 newspaper. Let me come closer. $1 newspaper. That's what Dollar Tree has every Sunday. So the newspaper that you're paying for how much ever dollars in your city and your supermarket is for $1. And it has in there what? All the coupon inserts. I would advise go early and please leave a couple for the other folks. You can't take the whole package because the store actually limits the number of coupons per household. So please be kind and leave some for the other folks. But you can get the same coupons, the packaged coupon inserts from RetailMeNot from RetailMeNot Everyday, Procter & Gamble. It's all in there for $1. I recognize that we don't want to go out sometimes with the pandemic, and it may not be close to your house, but that's something to think about. Okay? Tip is where? There you go. Sign up to the store's card. Make sure each of the stores that you go to, you sign up online or you sign up at the register so you get that card for the store, so you know when coupons are coming. And coupons, the savings you accumulate is tracked within that card. But you first have to sign up and get that store card. CVS has, Walgreens has, your supermarket has it, Target has, all the stores that you like. Make sure you sign up for that coupon card. Okay? Tip number 3. How about this? This is our fourth way to get a coupon hustle going. Pick up the phone, you call up customer service of your favorite brand. Oh, hi, my name is Jackie. Yes, I love, yes, and you know that pomegranate thing with the cherries that you brought out last? Yes, I love it, but I can't find it in my locals. Can I get a sample? And by the way, do you have that coupon insert in the coupon book still? Because I can't. Oh, please send it to me. Oh, my address, here it is. That's what you do, darlings. You call up those customer service who are bored to the mood, and you say to them that you love their product and you need a little something because you can't find it. Who does not like to know you love their product? I've done it before. I've done it for like cosmetics and stuff and skincare. Call them up and tell your girl down below. Call them up and tell us down below how it works, because we've got to find creative ways to move through this battlefield called life, okay? Come on, let's go. Tip. Tip number 4. So if you don't have the change, the extra money to buy the newspaper, you can go about and getting that newspaper for free. You want to know how? Let me tell you how. First, go to your gas station. You know, in the evening or the day after the Sunday, that's a Monday. And ask them, hey, what about those extra newspapers from yesterday? Do you have any leftovers? Or they may say, yeah, we'll sell them at a discount. Sunday paper at a discount, Monday price. Right in there you have the coupon inserts. Or your neighbor next door, she gets the New York Times or whatever the popular newspaper is in your city and may not need it. Hey, can I have the paper when you finish it? Just make something up if you're uncomfortable. We talk about shame in one of the other videos. If you're uncomfortable telling them your business, hey, can I have the paper when you're through? Go in there and look at those coupons, honey. Clip. Get what you need. Make sure you follow your favorite brands and products on social media, because that's how I've gotten a lot of in the nose message about sales and TUFAs and Independence Day, this and that. That's how you get it. You also sign up to the mailing list. I get a lot of that for my hair products, where they may have just flash sale, this and that. I would not have known if I wasn't, signed up to the social media or getting the mailing list. I tend to go for the mailing list a lot more than social media, because some of them bombard you with all these notifications and such like that. So we had 5 ways of getting the deals, baby, of getting them there deals, of getting savings for you and your family. No shame, coupon hustle, and what? Bridge work. That's the next part of the series. So, recap. First way to get your coupon hustle going. Sunday newspaper, you pay your money or you get it for free. I talked about it earlier in this series. Second way to get your coupon savings, coupon book. We talk about it. I'll have the links in the description box below, and tell us if it worked out for you. Third way, Dollar Tree. Ring-a-ding-a-ding. Call up that brand and you brag about their goody product so that you can get some freebies and you can get that coupon book sent to you or the coupon insert. Follow them on social media. Follow them, you stalk them, you see when they're going to release new products, and get on that mailing list. I hope these have been helpful for you. Please share with your friends and your families, because we all have been in the struggle of feeling alone, of feeling helpless in a situation where we can actually get some help. I hope this has helped. Thanks to all the subbies for all the suggestions. Remember, we're here to serve in this land of rebel for a spell, where it's all about discovering your voice, natural hair, and soul care. Stick around, guys. We got series number 3. Stick around, guys. We have part 3. And what is it about? The bridge work hustle.
Another video is waiting for you. Check it out. Check it out now. Should bang bang bang.